Hi friends, in this video I am going to test this Y splitter cable with Google TV Streamer 4K. We can use this Y splitter cable to connect USB pendrive or external hard disk or external SSD storage. We can also connect USB mouse and keyboard. So let me test this cable. Let me connect this power cable to this end of the cable. Done. Then this end I am going to connect to Google TV Streamer 4K. Let me connect to Google TV Streamer 4K. Done. And here you can see LED light. That means right now this device is booting. See, it's not working. I am getting this error message. Looks like Google TV Streamer 4K device is not getting enough power to start. Instead of that Y splitter, I tested this multi-port USB hub. This is working. This worked. So instead of that Y splitter cable, you can use this type multi-port USB hub. So that should solve the problem. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.